Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I am Carla, also known as LittleFitDevil, and today I am going to be reviewing the Hoffner Flatline. This knife is pretty damn cool. I've never owned anything quite like it, and you know I am a sucker for fast deployment knives because they have kind of that tactical functionality. Well, Brian Hoffner, the designer of this knife, is a tactical defensive instructor as well as someone who has had a lot of working experience in the law enforcement field. So he has designed a knife that will actually work in a tactical environment in such a way that this knife will sort of have multiple ways for self-defense, not only with the blade but also with the handle. So it's an all-around, really well-designed tactical knife, self-defense that is. So I'm going to talk specs and then I'm going to hone in all the details because it is sort of interesting looking, but there's a lot to talk about here. So this knife, the main feature of this knife, I guess the one that I'm most excited about, it's called the snap opening mechanism. So snap, why? Because although you can see here that it has a thumb stud that you could potentially use, if you need to open it, right? You could do that. That's not really what this is meant to do. The idea here is that you are going to have it in your pocket, right? As so. So when you reach to deploy, right, you reach out. And instead of having to, look for the thing and do all the normal stuff, you actually need to use the snap sort of function, which it needs a little practice. And again, I haven't had this knife for a long time, so bear with me, but here's how it works. You deploy and you use this center portion, which is really what he calls an index circle. And really you can use your thumb on the front, and on the back you use your index finger or the middle finger, and you can manipulate the knife easily. And that's what this is there for. So you can change positions easily. However, let's get here. So you deploy it from your pocket. And then, I'm gonna do this in slow-mo, you sort of use the momentum of the blade. So really what you're gonna do is snap up and down, right? So you will deploy and up and down. I'm gonna try it slow-mo, see if it works, and then I'll do the fast motion. So you're gonna deploy up and down. So really you're gonna like flick your wrist up and down and it will deploy. So that's slow-mo, right? So, and also, the motion really is up and down. However, you don't want to be doing this with your hand, right? You're not gonna like go all crazy with it. The idea is that you have sort of a controlled movement. So when you deploy, you really have to kind of like the idea of keeping it really close to you and then perform the action. So the way that will look is you deploy and then you go really like close to you so you can have control of your knife. And then from here, you can't use it like this, right? But because of the grip, this you can change positions really fast. So the idea here is that you change into this position and then you have like an attacking mechanism, if that works, or a defense mechanism, depending. And that's so cool to me because it kind of gives you already that position to defend yourself. However, okay, I'm sorry. We're here, right? Then, because the grip of the handle and the multiple serrations, it allows you to manipulate this knife in so many ways without really dropping it and really just be comfortable with it. So, I really like that. So the handle is a G10 and it has a serrated handle, which I haven't seen before, but you can see the serrations on the G10 and they're all over, right here on the bottom, as well as here. So the way that Brian Hoffner describes this is that this flat portion here is an extra impact tool in the event that you have to use it that way, impact. Or this one is actually a sort of like a pain function to it. And he actually encourages you to try it on yourself and be careful with it. But it is true, I have tried it. This part would be pain inflicting. And this one is more for impact, right? Because if I actually like do this to myself, it doesn't really care much, but because of the tip on this one, it actually does inflict pain, which very interesting. Has a lanyard hole on the handle. The G10 has the serrations and also a design. It has that sort of circular thing with his logo that allows you for that movement that I was explaining before. And let's let's see, measurements. Sorry about that, you guys. My iPad honestly keeps on closing on me, but this is the only part that I read. So we have a close length of 475. So this is really the handle length. And then we have a 3.5, 3.5 blade. Oh, fail. So the blade is 3.5. And that's why you need to practice, you guys, because, you know, you don't want to fail. So a lot of practice is necessary. 3.75 blade, spear point. This is a 440C stainless. Am I correct on that? Yes, because it is meant to be super hard, tough steel. And what else am I missing on the? Oh, it is total. God, I can't even find the total length here. 8.38 inches. There we go. Has the Brian Hoffner signature right there. And you can actually get this one in black. You can get it, I've seen a version in gray, OD green, and red. Really cool, you guys. I've been really excited to practice with this quite a bit. Perhaps even like watch some training from Brian, just to, you know, get good at it. Again, as a user of fast deployment knives, you know, you guys know I like the wave, I like the clamp opening mechanism. This is a cool one, and I've never seen this one before. I'm excited. I really am. Now, you also have this thumb stud. So if you really do need to use that, although not intended to be like that, man, it's so quick. Because it's so smooth due to the snap opening mechanism that this thing flies out of your hand. You don't necessarily need to, you know, push the stud as you would in other knives. This just flies. Amazing. I mean, I'm so excited. I'm spitting all over. Anyway, what else did I want to say? I think I covered it all. Oh, you can switch the clip to right or left-handed carry. And because of the use of this knife, it has a lot of patent pendings because of the design of it, right? The idea that Hoffner describes is that you can actually use this knife holding it straight from the bottom. And the idea here is that it allows you, how he describes it, is that it gives your blade an extra 2 inches of use. So it makes your blade much longer for self-defense. Super cool, really, the way that this has been designed. And I'm really excited to keep on practicing with it. I am actually giving away one of these on my Instagram. So if you're interested in testing this out, please go ahead and participate over there. I will put the links in the description directly to the post, so you don't need to go ahead and find it. But you can also follow me there if you want to see some lifestyle pictures. I do have a Teespring store, a Patreon account, and also a membership program here on YouTube that allows you to engage with me a little more. So go ahead and check out the details. Also the link in the description. I hope you love this review. I love to review knives that are unusual and out there and ballsy companies. I absolutely love that so much. So thank you to my friends at Boss Steel Blades for allowing me to review this, and also go ahead and check them out. They do have a lot of these Hoffners, so if you want one for yourself, you need to give it a shot. I think that does it, you guys. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here and supporting my YouTube journey. I cannot wait to provide you guys with another amazing knife review or creative concealed carry idea. I'll see you soon.